A mature bighorn ram stands in sharp profile against the rolling prairie of Badlands National Park, sunlight revealing layers of tawny fleece and the rugged texture of his swept horn. Heat shimmers over distant grass while a light breeze carries the faint scent of sage. And the ram's amber eye catches the glare of a cloudless summer sky. I spotted him near a roadside pullout just north of Wall, South Dakota, and quietly eased out of the car, using the doorframe as a steady rest for my lens. The prairie felt hushed, except for buzzing cicadas, and the ram seemed unfazed by my presence, chewing idly as I fine-tuned focus. When he turned his head slightly, and the horn's ridges lined up with the blurred grass beyond, I pressed the shutter and felt the vast calm of the Badlands settle around us both. Your print is produced to order on premium photo paper ready for framing. Gallery-wrapped canvas, brushed aluminum, or modern acrylic. Each finish uses long-lasting UV-resistant inks and is available in multiple sizes, bringing the quiet strength of South Dakota's open range into any living room, office, or cabin retreat.